How to clear news you've searched for on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to clear news you've searched for on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and then go down until you find settings and then click activity log. And here you will find logged actions and other activity. Click on it and go down until you find news you've searched for. Click on it and click clear searches, and yes. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.